Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture we discuss about the sources and the what are the important electrophiles used in aromatic, what are the important electrophiles used in aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions along with their sources of electrophiles. This is the topic of discussions in this video lecture. So we discuss about this topic, and before starting the discussions about this topic, this video is very important to you. If you are a student, college student or school student, then this question is very important to you. This question generally comes in any kind of examinations, school and college level examinations. So watch this video up to the end and watch my all other videos that already uploaded in this channel from the playlist, because if you watch the videos from playlist, then you can easily find different kinds of videos. Okay, rather if you watch just randomly, you cannot get the or watch the videos chapter wise. Okay, so that's why I try to watch videos from the playlist that I made already in this channel. And if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. Okay, we start our discussions about this topic, that what are the important electrophiles in aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions along with the sources of electrophile. So I am listing the 3, 4, 5, 6 kind of reactions on benzene where the important electrophiles, we discuss about the important electrophiles and sources of these important electrophiles in these 6 types of organic reactions on benzene. Organic reactions reactions on benzene. For the chlorination case, this is an example of electrophilic substitution reactions for the chlorination of the benzene. Okay, for the chlorination of the benzene or any aromatic compound like benzene or naphthalene, the electrophile used in the chlorination, this is all about benzene. For the chlorination of benzene, for the bromination of benzene, for the sulfonation of benzene, for the nitration of benzene, Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene and Friedel-Crafts acylation of the benzene ring. Okay, so if we talk about the benzene ring substitutions for different cases, the chlorination, bromination, sulfonation, nitration and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylations, what are the electrophiles name? For the chlorination of benzene, the electrophile name is Cl plus and the electrophile is called as chloronium ion. Okay, the electrophile that is used for the chlorination of benzene, it is chloronium ion. Chloronium ion is used as electrophile in the electrophilic substitution reactions on benzene, and this chloronium ion is produced by the reaction of chlorine with AlCl3 or FeCl3 Lewis acids. For these Lewis acids, this bond is polarized and form Cl plus and AlCl4 minus. So for the case of chlorination of benzene, the chloronium ion Cl plus, the chloronium ion is produced. Here the Lewis acid, act of the Lewis acid or the catalyst AlCl3. Here benzene and chlorine both are non-polar substance, so it is using as the polarizing agent AlCl3 as a catalyst. Okay, so from the reaction of anhydrous AlCl3, aluminum trichloride and the chlorine, this Cl plus electrophile is produced. Okay, so this is these two means AlCl3 and Cl2 are the means mixture is the source of the electrophile Cl plus. This is the electrophile. The atom bearing positive charge are called electrophile, or the atoms that have less than 8 electrons or deficiency of electrons are called electrophile. Electron deficient species. Electrophile is electron deficient species. So electrophile chloronium ion is produced by the reaction of the chlorine and AlCl3. Next, our next point of discussion is regarding the bromination of benzene. For the bromination of benzene, the electrophile developed is the bromine plus. Bromine plus is the important electrophile for the bromination of benzene and is called bromonium ion. Okay, bromonium ion is the electrophile required for the bromination of benzene ring, and this bromination process, in this bromination process we use bromine and FeBr3 and AlCl3 etc. These are the or FeCl3 you also can use FeBr3 or you can use AlCl3 for the bromination of the benzene, and in this case this is the electrophile E plus, and E plus is Br plus, that is the bromonium ion. This is the electrophile used for the bromination of the benzene. Next we discuss about the sulfonation of the benzene. For the case of the sulfonation of the benzene, the electrophile required is SO3, that is sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide is the required electrophile for the sulfonation of the benzene. This is the electrophile E plus. As an electrophile, the sulfur trioxide behaving as the electrophile in the sulfonation of benzene, and it is produced from fuming or concentrated sulfuric acid, the SO3 plus electrophile is developed, and this electrophile is used for the sulfonation of the benzene ring. SO3 electrophile is required, and the source of this electrophile is from the fuming or concentrated sulfuric acid. This SO3 electrophile is produced. And for the nitration, we talk about the nitration. The nitration case, NO2 plus is the electrophile, and NO2 plus is called nitronium ion. This nitronium ion, and it is developed from the reaction of concentrated concentrated sulfuric acid and the mixture of concentrated nitric acid. Yes, this NO2 plus is developed from the reaction mixture of the concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. This nitronium ion is produced. So nitronium ion is produced from this reaction mixture. So these are called the sources for this source for the nitronium ion, and nitronium ion is used for the nitration of the benzene ring. And next, our next reaction of benzene, where the electrophile we discuss about the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. For the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, you know the electrophile is R plus. R plus is the electrophile for the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. For this one, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, R plus is the electrophile. And how R plus is developed? R plus is developed from Rx and anhydrous AlCl3. From the mixture of anhydrous AlCl3 and Rx, this R plus is developed, and this R plus is called alkyl carbocation. Okay, carbocation, alkyl carbocation is developed in case of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, this R plus means alkyl carbocation is developed as the electrophile of the for the reaction, for the Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is the electrophile that is called alkyl carbocation. And next, and these are the sources, anhydrous AlCl3 and alkyl halide are the sources for this R plus. Okay, so we discuss about the next substitution reaction, and it is the last substitution reactions that we discuss right now in this class, and it is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, acylation reaction, and RCO plus. RCO plus is called acyl carbocation. Acyl carbocation, and this carbocation is developed from the reactions of RCOCl and anhydrous AlCl3. From the aluminum chloride, anhydrous AlCl3 and RCOCl, this acyl carbocation RCO plus is developed for the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions. In case of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, this acyl carbocation is developed, and acyl carbocation is developed from the sources alkyl RCOCl, acetyl chloride or alkyl acid chloride and anhydrous AlCl3 reaction mixture. This RCO plus electrophile or acyl carbocation electrophile is developed, and the electrophilic substitutions occur through this type of electrophiles for the respective reactions. So if we summarize this electrophiles name, for the chlorination it is Cl plus, for the bromination it is Br plus, and for the sulfonation it is SO3, and for the nitration it is NO2 plus, and for the Friedel-Crafts alkylation it is R plus, and for the Friedel-Crafts acylation RCO plus. Okay, so these are the list of electrophiles that are required for the electrophilic substitution reactions on benzene or aromatic compound. For chlorination, the electrophile name is Cl plus. For bromination, electrophile is Br plus, bromonium ion. For nitration, sulfur trioxide. For the for sulfonation, the sulfur trioxide is used. For the nitration, the NO2 plus or nitronium ion is used. For Friedel-Crafts alkylation, the R plus or alkyl carbocation is used, and for Friedel-Crafts acylations, RCO plus or acyl carbocation is used as the electrophile of the electrophilic substitution reactions. For the electrophilic substitution reaction, these are the list of some important electrophiles that are used in aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions along with their sources. That is the topic of discussions of these discussions. I discussed this topic fully. If you have any question regarding this discussion, then you can ask me in the comment section. I would happy to answer your all problems. Okay, so thank you for watching these discussions. If you find this video is interesting or useful to you, then you can like these discussions, and if you find this channel giving you some education, then you can subscribe this channel.